Hi everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are going to cook some bulgur. That's right, let's get cooking. Ingredients that I'll be using, I have bulgur, mixed veggies, oil, salt, complete seasoning, Scotch hot bonnet pepper, homemade seasoning. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The pot is on medium high. Drizzle some oil, then add the seasoning for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add the rest of the ingredients. Remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. This look amazing. I'm using hot water, make it quicker to boil. Go ahead and wash the bulgur. This is optional. Drain the water out. If you don't want your bulgur to be too soft, make sure the water is lower than the bulgur to make it. When the water is fully dissolved, go ahead, reduce the heat, cover it up, and let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you, everyone, for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.